One of the great website for all student architecture or every prominent architects. Welcome to my channel Decode from Toronto, Canada. In this part, we want to talking about one of the great website in architecture, evolo.com. Evolo, for example, when you want to go to the Evolo website, you will see that every and different and a lot of kind of this idea concept in architecture. For example, this prophecy, this website is, for example, 50 years later.
Hey yo, what the fuck?
What will kind of this building in architecture? You can go this website and, for example, collaborate in a competition, and I will show you this website and you can see that amazing idea, amazing. For example, 50 kilometers under this land, for example, and sea, you will create a great space, for example, hotel, hospital, and everything. So come with me and I will show you this about this map. The first, you should be search Evolo architecture competition, or you can't just search Evolo architect. Okay, this website and click competition. Okay, and you can see competition and everything, magazine, for example, and you can go to home, so see everything about architecture, for example. Okay, this you can read all describe about this building. In my opinion, create with Grasshopper or intelligence software. Okay, this building, okay, it's a very good shit. Okay, these are subscribe. Okay, so who is the winner in the 2024 Hong Kong? This building in the project created Hong Kong 2023 scale competition. So this is a great idea for all students, and the sheet, good sheet, you can see it. Okay, so these are magazine, you can go to the magazine, and this is a good innovation. Okay, inspiration for all architects. This is a good website, one of the great. 2023 2024. Okay, no malmetry, and these are a winner in 2024, not 2023. This is a competition. Oh, amazing building. thanks for watching this video and previous video that was a very great. So in my describe of you that see that video. For example, the previous video we talked about between space. Between space, one of the great parameter for every designer. So and between space in this video and evolo.com and combination together, it's a very good idea for all of you. Thank you very much. Subscribe, don't forget subscribe our channel.